Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Commande. And today we have Black Rifle Coffee Company Project Mango Energy Drink.
It looks amazing.
Alright, so this should be interesting. So this is not coffee, this is energy drink with coffee. So this is going to be interesting. Yeah, so
like caffeine
so very cool can art there. We got a deer with wings and a UFO and rock and camo and all kinds of stuff on there. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah.
Is that like a collector can maybe?
I don't think so, but it looks good anyways. Anyways, look at the important factoids here. We got ourselves 10 calories, 65 milligrams of sodium. We got less than 1 gram of carbohydrate. We got ourselves 2.4 micrograms of B12, 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 5 milligrams of, I believe that's going to be B2, 30 milligrams of potassium, 30 micrograms of biotin, and 200 milligrams of caffeine. And this is the Black Rifle Energy Blend, which is getting us caffeine from green coffee extract and coffee berry extract.
Coffee berry?
Coffee berry.
Wow.
Coffee berry. So this should be an interesting taste. So the flavor on this is Project Mango.
Which I'm assuming we're just going to send right to the top of our favorite.
It depends
list.
on what the flavor profile is. Ooh, clear, so no artificial colors.
And that's right. I don't like the artificial colors and stuff.
We need to get rid of the dyes out of our food and we start natural. I don't know if he's been confirmed or not yet. By the time this video shows up, we'll know for sure. But anyways, interesting fella. Interesting fella. Woo, yeah, it smells good, I can tell you that right now.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. That's different.
I don't know. I wasn't expecting that.
That's the deep mango taste there. That's not the citrusy mango. That is deep, sweet mango.
It's like mango cream. Weird. Initially, I don't like it, but I'm not sure.
I think it's because you're thinking it's supposed to be like mango loco with the other citrusy stuff, or a mango pineapple, but it's like it's just straight, deep flavored mango.
Yeah, definitely not syrupy.
Nope. There is no sugar in there whatsoever. Wow.
Yeah.
Only 10 little calories.
It is good though. It's just different than I was thinking. Wow.
But yeah, it feels like I'm almost drinking a mango creamsicle.
Yeah, really.
Wow.
Something. Yeah.
That's something else.
It is.
A little bit of a weird aftertaste. But it's got a good amount of carbonation, little bubbles.
What's the caffeine count in that?
200 milligrams.
That's good.
Interesting.
Yeah, the aftertaste is kind of weirdness. Candy of some sort.
Yeah, almost.
Burp is kind of weird too.
Yeah, it does. Very quick burp too. Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's some strange stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what to think on that actually.
So, but this is something different because this is energy drink from the green coffee extract and coffee berry extract. That's not something we've had a whole lot of.
I doubt you would actually taste. I don't think you'd really taste.
No, exactly. But it's a different blend. So.
Yeah. You've only had like the green tea extract stuff.
There's been a few like green coffee bean extract, but not too many. I don't know. I mean, it's one of those. It's different.
Yeah.
Because if you're expecting mango loco, it is definitely not that. This is something totally different, and it's very just mango. It's not mango blended with other flavors. It is just straight mango, and it is very deep flavored mango. So I don't know. I say I kind of like it. Yeah, it's smooth too. So I don't know, but it's definitely different. I kind of like it. So
it's nothing like we've had before.
Exactly. It's definitely something different. So, and that's cool. The Black Rifle Coffee is trying to expand. So that's neat to see. So I don't know. I'd say
it's a natural addition.
Yeah.
It's definitely not a rock star. It's not a anything monster.
Yeah.
It's like
it's kind of on its own plane.
I've never tasted anything quite like it.
Yeah, it's definitely different. So
there's nothing I would like.
I mean, for the taste that you're getting with the lack of, I mean, it has less than 1 gram of carbohydrate instead of being just 1 gram of carbohydrate. It's less than 1 gram of carbohydrate.
Which is good.
So I don't know. I'd say SRT 392 for what it is.
Pounds by drinking
yeah, exactly. So I'd say it's an SRT 392. It's definitely different from what you would expect. So if you're expecting something that's going to be kind of like, oh, but then it's like, well, wait a minute, this is totally different. It's like kind of intriguing. So anyways, I'd say definitely give it a try, guys. If you haven't tried it, let us know what you think about it, and we will see you guys here next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.